Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Team Inbox. First, let's get your team inbox set up for success. You'll start by creating a new inbox and connecting your shared email addresses, like support at your company. Next, invite your team members and assign them specific roles, ensuring everyone has the right access. Don't forget to configure email routing rules to automatically direct incoming messages to the correct departments or individuals, saving valuable time. Once your inbox is ready, managing emails becomes incredibly efficient. You can easily assign incoming emails to specific team members, ensuring clear ownership and preventing duplicate work. Use the private comments feature to discuss email context with your team without cluttering the customer's view. Track each email status, like open or pending, to maintain excellent organization. Plus, leverage response templates for quick, consistent replies to frequently asked questions, saving many minutes each day. Zoho Team Inbox truly shines in enhancing team collaboration. You can work together on emails in real time, eliminating the need for lengthy internal email chains and reducing confusion. Share email drafts with colleagues to get their valuable feedback before sending important messages to customers. You can also set up internal discussions directly within the inbox for broader team communication. Plus, monitor team activity and performance through comprehensive audit logs, providing full transparency. To further optimize your workflow, explore the advanced features and insights. Generate detailed reports on team performance, including response times and resolution rates, to identify areas for improvement. Automate repetitive tasks using custom workflows, saving countless hours each week. Integrate with your CRM system to access customer information directly within the email view, providing a complete picture. Finally, utilize tags and custom fields for advanced categorization and filtering, making your inbox incredibly powerful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.